Hey folks, Brian with the CCX again. I think I've developed a taillight problem. I no longer have a steady light mode, only a blinking light mode. So if I click once, this I think used to show a steady light, but now it's blinking. If I click again to supposedly switch modes, it still is blinking. I don't know what happened. Am I just going crazy? I'm definitely getting crazy, but not that fast, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna try a fresh battery and see if that fixes the problem. Wow. Alright, let's take a look at this. I actually already struggled off camera to learn how to take this apart, but it's really just a single tab. Nothing you really need to be too worried about. This is just a gap. There it goes. It's a little beaten up, but no one's gonna see that, right? Let's try changing, actually one more time. Let's see. Blinking, change mode. Blinking, change mode. Power off. Let's put in some rechargeables that I just charged. Wow, it works. So I guess steady mode goes away when the batteries are weak. Huh, wow. Looks like either way you mount it, there's no way to really open this without taking it off. Here's how it was before, and there's just no room at the top. And if you turn it around, it won't lie flush against the bracket. So I guess we're just stuck with putting it back the way it was. Alright, final test. Turn it on once. Steady light. It wasn't that crazy, huh? Okay, one more time. Blinking mode. Steady mode. Alright. So when steady mode doesn't work, I guess it means the batteries might be going out, I guess. Wow. This is gonna be a pain to change. Well, I'm gonna have to do something about that, but not in this video. Alright. Hope this helps. See ya.